In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix D3d9.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to check for the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. Check for the system type and then open a browser. Search for the missing DLL. Click on the first option. Scroll down and then you have to click the download button corresponding to the system type of your Windows. And then simply wait for this to be downloaded. Okay. So here it is. Simply click on the folder icon. And then right click. And then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click and then select copy. Click on this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Scroll down to the Windows folder. Double click. Scroll down to the System32 folder. So here, if you are 64-bit Windows, go to System32. And if you are a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW64. Right-click and then select Paste. Click on Replace the file in the destination. Now, after doing so, you need to make a right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. You can also update your Windows to the latest version. So click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update. And simply click the button right here to download and install the necessary files that your machine needs and can help you fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.